Good morning, children. Today we will start chapter number 11, Properties of Triangles. First, we learn about triangles. A simple closed figure formed by three non-parallel line segments is called a triangle. Simple closed curve formed by three non-parallel lines. They are not parallel lines. Closed and with the three non-parallel line segment is called a triangle. We use symbol for triangle is this. एक स्मॉल सा ट्राइंगल बनाते हैं. जब कभी हम ट्राइंगल लिखना होता है तो उसकी जगह केवल हम ये सिंबल यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ इन दिस ट्राइंगल या एनी ट्राइंगल हैज 6 elements, 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 angles, 1, 2 and 3. For example, in this triangle AB, AB, BC and AC are its 3 sides, and angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A, angle B and angle C are 3 angles in this figure. The name of angles is angle A, angle B and angle C. A triangle has 3 vertices. Vertices मतलब जहाँ पर 2 lines आकर मिलती हैं. How many vertices? A vertex, B vertex, C vertex. So how many vertices here? 3 vertices has any triangle. Clear? Now classification of triangles on the basis of their sides. यानी कि types of triangles on the basis of their sides. Number 1, scalene triangle. A triangle in which all the sides are unequal in length is called a scalene triangle. It means if all the sides are unequal in measure, these triangles are called scalene triangle. In this triangle ABC, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. All the measurement of these sides are different, unequal. So it is called scalene triangle. Its name is scalene triangle. Number 2, isosceles triangle. Number 2 is isosceles triangle. A triangle in which 2 sides are equal in length is called an isosceles triangle. If 2 sides are equal in measure in a triangle, then the name of triangle is called isosceles triangle. Now it is a triangle PQR. In PQR, PQ is equal to 4 centimeter, PR is equal to 4 centimeter, but QR is different in measure. So what's the name of this triangle? It is an isosceles triangle. Clear? What is the name of this triangle? Isosceles triangle, because its 2 sides are equal in measure. Now, number 3. Number 3 is equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the sides are equal in length is called an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal in measure. If a triangle has all sides equal, This is called an equilateral triangle. It is triangle MLN. Its first side ML 4 centimeter, MN 4 centimeter, LN is 4 centimeter. All the sides are equal in measure. So it is called an equilateral triangle. What is the name of this triangle? Equilateral triangle. Clear everyone? First, on the basis of their sides, three types of triangle. Number one is scalene triangle. If all sides are unequal, they are called scalene triangle. If two sides are equal in measure, this is called isosceles triangle. If all sides are equal in measure, they are called equilateral triangle. Clear everyone? Now classification of triangle on the basis of their angles. पहले बच्चों हमने किस बेस पर किया था क्लासिफिकेशन? साइड्स के बेस पर. अब किसके बेस पर करेंगे? एंगल्स पर. फर्स्ट, acute angled triangle. A triangle in which all the three angles are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree is called an acute angle triangle. Now see this triangle ABC. Measure of angle A 50 degree, it is less than 90. Angle B, it is 60 degree, it is also less than 90 degree. Angle C, it is also less than 90 degree. So it is called acute angle triangle because all the angles of this triangle is acute angle. Clear? Now number B, obtuse angle triangle. A triangle in which one of its angle is obtuse greater than 90 is called an obtuse angle triangle. देखिए, if one of the angle of a triangle is greater than 90, greater than 90, कोई भी एक एंगल यदि 90 से बड़ा होता है किसी ट्राइंगल में, तो they are called obtuse angle triangle. Now in this triangle PQR, angle Q is 120 degree. It is greater than 90 degree. So it is called obtuse angle triangle. Clear? Now, third is right angled triangle. A triangle in which one of its angle is right angle. जैसे कि obtuse में एक एंगल कितना होना चाहिए? मोर देन 90. ऐसे ही इसमें कोई भी एक एंगल यदि 90 होता है, then the name of triangle is called right angle triangle. A triangle in which one of its angle is right angle equal to 90 is called a right angle triangle. It is triangle KLM. In this triangle, angle L is 90. One of its angle is 90 degree measure. So it is called right angled triangle. Clear everyone?